Hello, here we are with the Alesis drum machine, and this time we're going to have a look at the hi-hats and the cymbals. If we look at the sound card, we can see there is 19 hi-hats and 12 cymbals, so we're going to check the sound of those. We're going to start with the hi-hats. We're going to the drum set. This one is going to be the close the hat, open, right, and crash. So hi-hats, the first one, this one is, the name is close the hat, sounds like that. Then hi-hat, edge hat, thin hat, tight hat, small hat, very hat, wet hat, wet hat too, random hat, wet random, sweet hat, open hat, half hat, open hat too, backwards, straight backwards, low backwards, and back, no 4. Okay, that's what about the hi-hats. And now we're going to check the cymbals. For that, we're going to use those ones here. We'll start with the first one, which is soft right. Then hard right. Then live right. Live right too. Right bell. Flanger right. Then we go to the crash. We'll start with 134, which is high crash. middle crash, low crash, combo crash, trash crash, and then flanger crash, which is the last sound. Alright, well, so maybe on the crash sound, they all sound more or less quite right. But maybe the one on 32, which is a right bell, it's one of the best soundings. And on the right, maybe the best sounding is this one. They call it soft right. And on the hi-hats, there are quite a few of them that sound alright, but I'll choose the hi-hat, which is number 115. Okay, so thank you.